Okay, now we'll solve one problem based on 4, 8 and M path connectivity. Okay, so here the problem is given. The set of V is given as it has elements 0 and 1, and compute 4, 8 and M path between P and Q. Okay, P and Q is given. This is the image matrix which is given 4 by 4. It is also mentioned that if a particular path does not exist between these 2 points, we have to give the explanation why it is so. Okay, so the solution first will solve for 4 path. I have rewritten this image matrix. This is P and this is Q. Now what is 4 path connectivity? You are going to just consider whether the next pixel is in N4P or not, means 4 neighbors of P or not. So this is P given. What is the set of V given? It is 0 and 1. So either I can go this way or this way. Okay. So if I go this way, okay, the next pixel after this, okay, is it satisfying set of V? Here it is 2 and here it is 2. So it is not satisfying set of V. So we cannot go like this. Okay. So we'll go like this because it is the next pixel is in N4P as well as it is satisfying the set of V. So we'll go this way. Then next is this one. Okay, so you can connect this like this. Then next pixel, can I go this way? No, because this is not satisfying set of V. So I will connect like this. Okay, again here either you can go this on the right hand side or upward. Okay, right hand side I will not go because after that there is no pixel here which I can connect. So I will connect this way. Now what is Q? Q is 1. Okay. So is it this pixel is not in N4, right? So I cannot connect this diagonally. Okay. So can I connect this? No, because this is not satisfying set of V. This is also not satisfying set of V. So there is no path exists between P and Q. Okay. So that's why they have mentioned that if there is no path exists between P and Q, you have to mention or you have to give justification why it is not exist. Because what you will write, because after this pixel there is no pixel or there is no neighbor, okay, through which you can connect to Q. Okay, now we'll see 8 path. So in 8 path again you will rewrite the matrix, okay, and then we'll start from here. Now in 8 path, you know, we have to see whether the next pixel belongs to N8, that is 8 neighbors of P, and also satisfy the set of V. Okay, so what is the set of V? 0 and 1. So can I connect here? Yes, I can connect. Can I connect here? Yes, I can connect. But again here you can check the next pixel after this is not satisfying the set of V. So no use of going connecting to this pixel. So we'll connect from here to here. After this, either I can go this way or this, okay, because the next pixel, this pixel is also in N8, this pixel is also in N8. So there are multiple paths exist. Okay, so first we will complete this red path. So from here I can connect here, from here again I'll connect here, and from here to here. Okay, so what is the cost? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly I can connect this way from 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So what is the cost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 2 paths between P and Q, and the minimum cost is what? 4. So we should select the cost and the path which is having the lowest cost. Okay. Now we will see M path. So for M path, you have to write the image matrix again. And what is the definition of M path? The pixel should be in N4P and also satisfy the set of V. Set of V is given 0 to 1, and if it is satisfied, you should not go for the second condition. So first condition is satisfied. Yes, it is in N4P as well as it is satisfying the set of V. So I will connect this way. Then next is also satisfying the first condition. Okay, the next pixel is also satisfying the first condition. I cannot connect this way because this is not satisfying set of V. Okay, then here also if I connect this to this pixel, it is not useful because I cannot connect to this pixel. Okay, so you will connect from here to here and here. Now you see, first condition is not satisfied. Whether the next pixel is in N4P? No. Okay, this pixel is in N4P? No. Means it is in N4P, both of them, but it is not satisfying the set of V. So you cannot connect this or this way. So you have to connect this way. Okay, so what is the cost associated with M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the shortest M path is equal to 5.